Hi, and welcome to Teacher Nell's Learning Resources, your place to listen, read, and enjoy amazing short stories. Let's get started. The Gift, written by Obet B. Periabras. Martha wants to buy a gift for her kind mother on her birthday. She knows how her mother likes to wear small accessories like bracelets, rings, or necklaces. So she saved her allowance to be able to buy her mother a gift. A day before her mother's special day, she asked her father for help to pick the best gift for her mom together. In the store, the salesman showed them different types of jewelries and explained its uses in the community. He said that gold is a popular choice as jewelry for its value. Gold is a symbol of wealth and beauty, which makes it more expensive than other metals. Silver jewelry is also a popular choice. Gold and silver are also used in coins and in creating electronics technology, such as smartphones, computers, and solar panels. Iron is the cheapest among the three metals, but one of the most widely used metals due to its strength and durability. Iron is essential in building structures like buildings, bridges, and railways. Martha suddenly felt sad because she realized that gold is the best gift for her mother. But looking at its price seemed impossible for her to buy. Her father noticed Martha's sad face and asked, "Why are you sad?" "I would like to buy the best gift for mom, but it's too expensive and I don't have enough money to buy it." Her father laughed and said, "Martha, don't be sad that you can't buy that gift for your mother for now. Always remember that it's the thought that counts. I am sure your mother will be happy whatever you give her because it shows how much you appreciate and love her." Martha felt relieved and thanked her father. She also thanked the salesman for explaining well and for helping her choose the best gift that she can buy for her mother. That's it for today's story. Friends, if you had fun, give it a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next adventure with Teacher Nels. Till next time, happy learning!